In this video, I'll be going over how to subtract mixed numbers. Here's an example. When subtracting mixed numbers, we want to align the whole number and the fractions, like so. The next step is to find the greatest common factor so that the denominator would be the same. In this case, we have 5 and 10. So we know 5 times 2 equals 10, and 10 will times 1. So denominator, so the denominator here, we will times by 1, and the numerator also by 1. For 5, we will times by 2, and the numerator by 2. And now to rewrite this, now that we have the denominators the same, we can proceed with the subtraction. So we'll simply take 6 minus 4 equals 2. And then 7 minus 4 equals 3. And then 2 tenths, we could further simplify this by dividing it by 2. And that will equal 1/5, 3. So that answer is 3 1/5. Here is another example. We first align the whole number and the fraction. Then we find out the greatest common factor to get the denominator the same. So 4 we need to times 2, 8 need to times by 1. Then we rewrite. Denominator being the same, now we can proceed with subtraction. Now here is an issue. We have the number 2 being smaller than 5, so we could not subtract. And therefore, we need to borrow 1 from the 9 in order to proceed. So 9 2/8. To borrow 1 from 9, it would be 8 plus 1 equals 9, and then plus 2/8. And the 1 here that we borrow from 9 is equivalent to 8/8. So if we rewrite this, it will look something like this. And so the new mixed number would become 8 10/8. And now we can replace this for this. So if we rewrite this, it would be 8 10/8 minus 2 5/8. And if we take 10 minus 5, we will have 5/8, and 8 minus 2 is 6. And so our answer would be 6 5/8. So these two are examples of how you would subtract mixed numbers. We also have videos on adding mixed numbers, multiplying, as well as dividing mixed numbers. And you can find them in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching.